see me, but I'm heading to the airport now for my first ever international trip. So it's finally happening. I can't wait. Okay, so it's finally happening. My first ever international flight to the USA. It's gonna be 3 weeks, 4 cities, and a whole lot of fun and a whole lot of new experiences. But before that, I have to survive a 20-hour flight journey. So let's see how that goes. Look at Terminal 2. How cool is this place, huh? How cool is this? Let's go. What's up, bro? Illindane start. Okay, that is Prithvi. He's my colleague slash friend.
Hello.
Hello, Yatish and Deepak.
Here.
Okay, the first round of security. Oh, it's kind of feeling nice. It's hitting me now. Okay, how are you feeling, Yatish? Excited?
With you, Dhanush.
Yes. I'm fun to travel with this. Look at that. Terminal 2, baby. Yes.
Typically, boarding will start 70 days, so sit number and you're in these officer.
Okay. Thank you very much. The immigration was quite smooth actually. The guy was nice. Didn't ask too many questions. I mean, he did ask questions, but on where I was going and things like that. So now it's time for the security check. This is gonna take a little time. God. So as soon as you enter, it's alcohol everywhere and perfume. Hello. I am going from Bangalore to Boston via Dubai, and I am flying Emirates. And I've seen people show it on YouTube, and a lot of people have told that Emirates is one of the best, if not the best. So today I am going to experience it myself. I'm excited. Always wanted to travel in Emirates to the US. No, not really. I wanted to go to Dubai with it, but I am sort of doing it anyway. But anyway, that's just traveling now. Fuck it. They're walking. I'm not sure. Alright, so this is my first international trip, so everything is feeling very surreal to me right now. The airport, the vibe of the airport, the people around, and the fact that I actually packed everything and didn't forget anything at home, so kudos to that for me. This airport has a really good vibe, really, to be honest. Okay, I don't know if it is the air or the roof, the hall freshener, whatever they use, but my god, does it smell rich in here. Smells really good. Smells really good. And we have the king of the sky. The seat seems pretty nice, decent legroom, alva, Yatish?
Yes.
I'm guessing. So that's the screen. It's pretty massive. I think you can pull it out. Oh, look at that! You can pull it out, and I think you can pull this out as well. Oh yeah, that comes out. Oh, look at that! You can play games in this.
Games ಇದೆ particular ಆಡಬಹುದು ಸೀಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ
ಆಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬಾಸ್ಟನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ
a quick tour of what you get with the seat. So you get a headphone of Emirates badging, and you get a pillow as well. Look at that. And you get blanket like this gentleman is wearing on himself. A TV. Do they have friends? Do they have friends? Do they have friends? They have a lot, but not friends so far. Oh, look at that. Oh shit, they do have friends. Season 10 though. I'm going to watch a lot of movies. Not in this flight, but the one next. Hello, Yadish. Not in this flight.
Friends. No, friends. No, not full. Not yes. Oh, in record ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನೋ. I'm really sorry for spoiling it. Let me know before.
That's okay. That's okay.
What was the question?
I don't remember.
Movie.
I think so.
Yes, let's watch movies en route to Boston. Now it's time to sleep.
And we'll be playing some games as well.
Yo.
At the Dubai airport, Dubai check-in, Dubai security check-in was amazingly fast. I think if you have everything sorted, you just move along. I think the technology is pretty fantastic. Just a little tired because didn't really have a good sleep on in the flight, so just do it, baby. Okay, now boarding the second flight. This is not an Airbus 380 as I thought it would be, but it's a Boeing something.
Welcome. Second right, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ
Alva?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Oh, look at the business class, yeah. This is gonna be fun. Okay, round 2. Another 14 hours to endure. But this time I'll probably sleep most of the way so that I don't have jet lag when I reach there. I don't know if that is how jet lag works, yeah. But for now, this looks good. It's not the Airbus 380, I think it's the Boeing 777, the Dreamliner. I'm not sure if that's the one, but this looks good though. This looks more newer than the other one. So I can play the game with another co-passenger, like whoever is. If I know their seat number, I can just ping them and I can just start playing the game with them. How cool is that? Thankfully, there's nobody sitting here. I have the whole row to myself. Everyone just want me to interpret. Alright, so the breakfast service has begun. Okay, so I have been served my breakfast. Okay, I don't exactly know what time it is because I'm getting confused with the whole time zone thing, but I've been just served lunch. This is what they've served. So this is chicken with rice, that's chickpea salad, chocolate mousse with some blueberry crumbles or something. This is some hinga mix. This is like a bun. It's like a khara bun for me. I'll be brushing at 34,000 feet. Never done that before. So we're almost at the end of the flight. Another 2 more hours to go, so they've given us an evening snack. welcome to Boston. And with that, welcome to America. It's 0 degrees here and my god, it's cold. Breeze and cold weather does not go well. I don't know how Deepak is doing. Deepak, how are you doing? Let's feel Yatish. Deepak and the frozen to death anta. Alva?
ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ.
ಯತೀಶ್, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಗಾಳಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೀಸ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಗಾಳಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೀಸ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಕೇಸ ಹೊರಟೈತೆ ಎರಡು. Has been my lifelong dream. Actually, ever since I was a child, I've been watching the American movies, and I always dreamt about coming to US. Just can't wait to explore more places here. Can't wait to go to New York tomorrow. So that's gonna be not really. I'm going to Boston tomorrow. Gonna probably explore a bit of Boston and then head to New York. So that's gonna be the plan. For now, I'm just gonna go back to the place that I'm staying. It's kind of fun.